3, there. 2, cool. Not yet. Ready? Go! 1, and. Okay, here we go. You're from Australia, aren't you? I have 11 brothers, and they're all sheep shearers. My concoction I've got here used to go through quite a bit of training. Oh, look at that, it's gorgeous. Take a bang for you. Oh, Stephen, you're like Rita. She doesn't like you very much. Yeah, like never actually going to school for it. Sorry, it's a little bit too much activity, isn't it? Okay, alright, 2, 3.